Okay, we're recording in the morning here. We're gonna go ahead and get Sweeta's reaction to turning on the stagecoach here. I think I got her back there. I think she already knows what's up, but it gradually gets escalated. What is it? Where are we going? Okay, yeah, we're turning. Yeah, I think so. What is it? Yeah? Is that a yay? Where are we going? Bark Park? Enough said.